One-pot meals are great for busy weeknights. They are easy to make. You only use one pot, which makes cleaning up a breeze. This recipe is for a one-pot chickpea and quinoa dish. It is full of flavor and healthy too. This meal is perfect for vegetarians and vegans. It is packed with protein and is also a great source of fiber. This recipe is simple to follow, so even beginner cooks can make it. To make this delicious one-pot meal, you will need a few simple ingredients. This recipe is perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something nutritious yet easy to prepare. Let's dive into what you'll need. Most of these are probably already in your pantry. You will need quinoa. Quinoa is not only versatile, but also incredibly nutritious. Quinoa is a healthy grain that is full of protein and fiber. It's a great base for many dishes and can be used in salads, soups, and even as a side dish. You will also need chickpeas. Chickpeas are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to stews. Chickpeas are a good source of protein and are also low in fat. They add a nice texture and a slightly nutty flavor to the dish. You will need vegetable broth. This is the liquid that will bring all the ingredients together. Vegetable broth adds flavor and helps cook the quinoa and chickpeas. It infuses the dish with a rich, savory taste. Don't forget your favorite spices. Spices are what will elevate this dish from simple to extraordinary. Cumin, coriander, and turmeric all work well. These spices add warmth and depth to the dish, making it aromatic and flavorful. Finally, grab an onion and some garlic. These two ingredients are essential for building a strong flavor base. They add a savory flavor to the dish. The aroma of sautéing onion and garlic is simply irresistible and sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now let's cook. Today, we're going to make a delicious and nutritious quinoa and chickpea dish. This recipe is perfect for a healthy meal that's both satisfying and easy to prepare. So let's get started. First, heat some olive oil in your pot. Make sure the oil is hot before adding any ingredients, as this will help to bring out the flavors. Add the chopped onion and cook until the onion is soft. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking and to prevent the onions from burning. Add the minced garlic and cook for another minute. Garlic cooks quickly, so be careful not to let it burn. The aroma should be wonderful by now. Now add the spices and cook for one more minute. This releases their flavors. You can use a mix of your favorite spices, such as cumin, paprika, and turmeric, to give the dish a rich and complex taste. Add the quinoa and chickpeas to the pot and stir well. Make sure everything is well combined so that the flavors meld together beautifully. Pour in the vegetable broth. The broth will add depth to the dish and help cook the quinoa and chickpeas to perfection. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. This will allow the ingredients to cook slowly and absorb all the flavors. Cover the pot and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This gives the quinoa time to become fluffy and the chickpeas to become tender. The quinoa should be cooked and the chickpeas should be tender. Give it a final stir and your dish is ready to serve. Enjoy your healthy and delicious meal. Section 4. Spice up your life flavor variations. This recipe is very versatile. You can use different vegetables. Try adding chopped bell peppers. Mushrooms are also a great addition. For extra flavor, try adding a can of diced tomatoes. You can also change up the spices. Try adding a pinch of chili powder for some heat, or add some fresh herbs at the end. Cilantro and parsley work well. Get creative and make it your own. Section 5. Serving suggestions, delicious and nutritious. This one-pot chickpea and quinoa dish is a complete meal. It's not only easy to make, but also incredibly versatile. It's packed with protein and fiber, making it a nutritious option for any time of the day. Chickpeas are a great source of plant-based protein, while quinoa is rich in essential amino acids. This will keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. The combination of these ingredients ensures a balanced meal that supports your overall health. You can enjoy it on its own for a light lunch or dinner. It's perfect for those busy weekdays when you need something quick yet wholesome. You can also serve it with a side dish to add more variety and nutrients to your meal. A simple green salad is a great option. The freshness of the greens complements the hearty chickpea and quinoa dish perfectly. Or try serving it with some roasted vegetables. The caramelized flavors of the roasted veggies add a delightful contrast. This dish is even better the next day. Storing it in the fridge allows the flavors to meld together, making it even more delicious. The flavors will have more time to develop, giving you a richer taste experience. Simply reheat and enjoy a quick, nutritious meal. Enjoy!